Hello, in this video I want to show you how to defrost Haier refrigerator. And to do this, there's actually no need to defrost it, since the refrigerator does have the no frost function. But if you really want to clean it, you can unplug the cable and then just leave it for like half an hour. That way all of the water should go down, and then it will be pumped when you power it on. Actually, it should be pumped to the radiator, and then the water should be vaporized. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.